Hi and welcome to Thrift Thursday, uploaded on Friday this week. Sorry about the delay. Today is a Vinted order, a haul for mindfulness and mental health educational materials. So I hope you enjoy this. Hello and welcome to this mindfulness unboxing. I have a mindfulness order from Vinted that I want to share with you. It came in a paper wrapping that I already tore off, and now I have the bubble wrap that kept the things I ordered safe. So we're gonna open it up. First thing here is, it might be backwards, it's 365 self-discovery monthly journal prompts. So you see here, it's pretty lightweight. It's monthly journal prompts. It starts with January here. And we see it goes all the way through December. There is 15 prompts. 31 prompts. There's one for every single day of each month. And then it's just a blank page here and like this. So a lightweight book. I'll put the price that I paid for it here. We're going to go ahead and look at July. So the July prompts. It is June, but I want to get the whole month. The first journal prompt is how you react when you're afraid. The second one, a moment you had to be brave. The third, common negative thoughts you have about yourself. And the fourth is a letter of acceptance to yourself. The next is an anxiety workbook. It is bounded here and it has colors. Manage Your Worries activity book, worksheets to help you explore and understand and manage your worries. It's very colorful. The first page explains about anxiety. Then it goes to understanding your anxiety. And the anxiety iceberg. This is everything that is external that others can see about your anxiety. But below that, inside, internally, there's so much more at play. Many other ones as well. How anxiety affects your body. The cycle of anxiety. How to reverse the cycle of anxiety. And some good affirmations where you write down your accomplishments. What you like about yourself, things you're good at, challenges you have overcome, etc. And this one is also good, identifying your patterns. If you've done any kind of schema therapy in English, I have this book in Dutch, Patronen doorbreken. Highly, highly recommend this book. If you speak Dutch, I'm sure there is an English version. And if you'd like some English schema therapy or behavior pattern books in English, let me know in the comments. A safety plan. A feelings tracker. Putting thoughts on trial. I like this one. We might do a video about this one. If there's anything you want me to do a video about, please let me know. Anxiety triggers. Understanding your triggers is so important. Here is a checklist for your anxiety triggers. An anxiety scale. Coping strategies. An anxiety action plan. Here is a list of things that you can control, and then outside of it is things you cannot control. It's really important to focus on the things that you actually can control. So it goes on further, it goes deeper with this circle of concern. And here's everything that you're concerned about. And in here is the circle of things you actually can control. There might be things that you are concerned about that you cannot control. And it's important to recognize that. And you want to try to make this circle, the things that you could be more concerned about or worried about, spending time fixing the things that you have control over, so that the control circle gets bigger and that the concern circle gets smaller. Helping your anxiety with the happy chemicals. Accessing the happy hormone, aka oxytocin. Accessing the reward chemical, aka dopamine. Accessing the painkiller, endorphin. There was an ant on me. Accessing the mood stabilizer, so serotonin. A nice empty lined page for reflection. And that was it. So this one is wrapped, the self-care journal, a 30-day challenge, hundreds of tips and activities inside. I am going to open this up. I'm thinking maybe about doing the 30-day challenge in July and sharing it here on YouTube. And that's just plain on the back. Here's a monthly planner. Sleep tracker for your sleep here. And your very first day, you write your dates, you find your why, add your why. I am prioritizing my self-care because this is important to me because, and I want to focus on today's intention, to-do, gratitude, and reflections. Sorry, it's a little bit busier than I expected in this city park, which I'm a little confused why I didn't expect it to be this busy when the weather is so beautiful. And every day has its own theme. It's a 30-day challenge. So I think I might do a video series on that. And the last one I'm most excited about. These are the mindfulness cards, Mindful Talk. Here we have a QR code to scan for instructions for parent use. We're going to start with one of the emotion cards. I'm thinking about making a short series with these. The first one. The last time I felt lonely, I would say a few days ago when I was having a bit of homesickness for the United States, and my spouse couldn't quite understand it as he is from the country that we live in Europe. And what made me feel better was meeting up with one of my expat friends who is not from the United States, but they get it. Other expats that live in a different country understand the struggle. Oh, I like that. I didn't see the back of the QR card. Mindful Talk for authentic conversations with children. I am an eternal child, so this is still a good set of cards for myself, honestly. Here is inquiry. So there's a good amount of cards about inquiry as well. Let's have a look. What is a memory you have that makes you happy? Next is my favorite topic. Emotions is a close second, but mindfulness. Mindfulness has changed my life. Why do you think it is important to be aware of our thoughts and feelings? Another good theme, expression. What is something nice you can say to yourself every day? Categories in a row here: emotions, mindful, inquiry, and expression. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a like and consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments if you have any video requests. Have a great day. Bye.